So another thing that people should kind of be aware about when they're kind of crafting their diet is salt their intake, and people don't focus on the salt because they focus on fat and the calories, but it's
Salt is the silent killer, I like to call it. Leads to higher blood pressure for sure. That's one negative right there. But if you look at it, most foods they have natural sodium in them, and a lot of these companies, they add so much sodium. So it's very important. The average amount of sodium that a person is supposed to intake in a day is no more than 20. Not the average amount. I'm sorry. A person's not supposed to exceed 2,400 milligrams of sodium in a day. And they might be having a little too much sodium. And a lot of people here in the U.S. they go over that every day. I see one of the craziest things I see. Again, like, I'm not a big French fry guy at all, but French fries are basically cooked with salt too. And you see these people get the French fries and they'll get the salt shaker and just douse them. So they're just adding more and more salt onto it. So that's it's a very, very hidden killer that you might want to look for on your labels. It's there for a reason. So start looking at it. If you start seeing things over over 200 milligrams of sodium per serving, might not be the best. You look for lower sodium things. Yes, your body needs salt to survive, without a doubt, but too much salt is no good. Too little salt is no good. Too much salt is no good. But you have to find a balance. As with everything, have to find a balance. But salt could be dangerous. So salt and sugar.
This might be a stupid question, but like, there's different kinds. There's no different salts, right? There's just one salt.
No, there's sodium. I mean, they claim sea salt, and there's all different things, but sodium is sodium.